Então, já sabes o que é que vais fazer para o trabalho?
Não faço a mínima ideia. O tema é o maior desafio do futuro. E eu sei lá qual é o maior desafio do futuro.
Então, o maior desafio do futuro é o lixo.
O lixo?
Sim, o lixo. Sabias que, em média, uma única pessoa na área do Grande Porto produz anualmente cerca de meia tonelada de lixo?
Mas isso é imenso.
Pois, então já estás a ver qual é o desafio.
Produzir menos lixo?
Sim, e tratar cada tipo de resíduo.
Tipos de resíduo?
Sim, há tipos de resíduo que são recicláveis. Uns servem para produzir energia e outros para tratar a terra.
Bem, não fazia ideia.
Então, estás convencida a vir comigo à Lipor e ver o circuito dos resíduos?
Claro que sim. Quando é que vamos?
Bem, vamos ir agora.
Lipor, Intermunicipal Waste Management of Greater Porto, is the entity responsible for the management of the waste produced by the 8 municipalities that own Lipor. Lipor creates wealth from this waste material. In the name of a sustainable future, it's here that each kind of waste is used to make money and to preserve our environment. Sorting plastic, metal, paper and glass is the beginning of recycling. Afterwards, the different selective collection services do the rest. Eco-containers are one of the solutions. Spread over the 8 municipalities, one for each 400 citizens, these groups of 3 colourful containers serve as a deposit for recyclable waste until it is collected and delivered to Lipor. There's also door-to-door pickup. It's a selective collection service that works for households and is done with specific vehicles, easily identifiable and in predefined schedules. The special collection circuits also ensure waste collection for some companies, especially in the industrial field. Drop-off sites are the proper place for kinds of waste that, by their nature or size, can't be otherwise sent for recycling. Every selective collection path leads to Lipor's sorting plant, where a complementary sorting of the recyclable materials is made. These are then directed towards their recycling units. Lipor receives organic waste from various places: restaurants, markets, fairs and supermarkets, agricultural cooperatives, and also from the door-to-door selective collection service. These organic wastes are directed to the organic recovery plant, where, through controlled decomposition, they are transformed into agricultural compost. The plant is completely closed, which prevents bad smells from escaping. The quality of exhaust air is assured by a biofilter system, a treatment done through a simple and natural process. With the capacity to process 60,000 tonnes of organic waste per year, Lipor can produce 20,000 tonnes of high-quality compost. What we throw into the dustbin, the trash can as they say in America, is a precious energy resource that can light our life. The waste arrives at Lipor from the many collection circuits of the Greater Porto region. Lipor's energy recovery plant treats that waste through a controlled thermal process that produces electrical energy. At an environmental level, the waste energy recovery process is rigorously monitored. Before being released into the atmosphere, the excess gases are neutralised and filtered. Ashes and slag are currently sent to a controlled tip, but there is an ongoing study on the viability of slag as a sub-base material for roads. With a processing capacity of 1,000 tonnes per day, Lipor's energy recovery plant is self-sufficient in energy, using 10% of its production for lighting and sending the remaining 90% to the national electrical grid.
Afinal de contas, todos os resíduos que nós produzimos são um recurso essencial. É fantástico.
Pois, mas para que tudo isto aconteça é preciso que cada um de nós separe em casa.
Claro.
Tens a certeza que aprendeste a lição?
Sim, por exemplo, eu quando chegar a casa vou pôr esta lata na copa de amarelo.
Estou a ver que ficaste completamente reciclada com este trabalho.
Project co-financed by the European Community Cohesion Fund.